How to stop emails from going into trash in Gmail. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, are your emails going into trash? Then don't worry, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. The major reason that the emails are going into trash might be because you might have blocked the sender knowingly or unknowingly, and then you might have even forgotten about it. So I'll teach you how you can see the blocked addresses and unblock it. So open up your Gmail, go to settings on the top right, and then go ahead and tap on see all settings and tap on filters and blocked addresses. Tap on it and then make sure that you have no blocked addresses right here. And that's it. Now your Gmail will stop sending your emails into trash. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.